Okay, you're recording.
What's that?
You're recording.
Oh, I'm recording?
Yep.
Cool. Hello. Just showing you the little motor mount I made for my dad's Driftboat. Why don't you show him the water, bud? We are in a pretty fast ripple right here. I'll fly up the slow ripple right now. Flux capacitor. So right here I've got 3-point, so this thing's gonna lift the motor up as I lift this thing up. So there's a 3-point hinge, so it's got a pivot up in here and a pivot down there. So in that spot it's actually locked up in here, so the motor can't go overextend. So this actually goes down, the motor goes down. And then I got trim right here that I can trim the boat out whatever height I want. So if I don't want to have the motor that deep, I can have it sitting like that. So works pretty dang good for a drift boat.